I am back recording for you guys. I've been gone for about 2 months due to moving. You guys know how that is, all the packing and then unpacking and settling in. So I'm bringing you guys this look, this summer glowy look that I've been really liking lately. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so I'm going to get started with the KKW Classic palette, starting with this color in Fade. It's a very light color, moving in with the color Florence, and then ending with the color Selfish. So this is the third eyeshadow I'm going to be using from this palette, and I'm just going to be adding this all over my lid. I'm going in with some concealer, and this is the e.l.f. Camouflage one. I'm just going to be dabbing this and then blending it out, getting some lashes and popping them in. Primer, I'm going to be using this one by e.l.f., which is really good. I really like this stuff. And then I'm going to be going in with the NYX palette. This is the Correct and Conceal palette, starting with that darkest shade for contouring my face. And usually I do this after foundation, but lately I've been doing it before, so it doesn't matter. It seems to work either way. Blended out the dark shade, and I'm going in with this yellow light shade here, and I'm just going to be blending this out as well. For foundation, I'm going in with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost in the color Buff, and this foundation is a light to medium coverage, so it's more of a natural finish. I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I'm just going to be applying this everywhere where I apply that dark shade from the NYX palette. For blush, I'm going to be using this Duo palette, and I'm just going to be applying this on the apples of my cheeks. And for the rest of the face, I'm just going to be going in with some setting powder. Going back into the KKW palette, and I'm using the third shadow that I use. I'm just going to be adding this to the bottom of my eyes, and then going in with the Becca highlighter and Opal. I'm just going to be adding this everywhere I want some highlights. For lips, I'm going in with the Sourmate lip liner in the color Tease, and then I'm just going to be going over with this butter gloss from Maybelline. These are so buttery. And then going in with some Sport Fix Makeup Revolution setting spray. This is amazing. I love this setting spray. You guys need this in your makeup kit, and this is the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.